Are you looking for the best solar panels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best solar panels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Renogy 100W Monocrystalline Solar Panel. The Renogy 100W Monocrystalline Solar Panel is a reliable and efficient way to power your RV, marine, rooftop, or off-grid applications. This panel is made from 100% EL-tested Grade A+ solar cells, and is equipped with advanced 9 busbars cell tech and half-cell structure for maximum power conversion efficiency. It is also built to last with low iron-tempered glass, corrosion-resistant aluminum frames, and polyamide corner support. With its compact design, this panel weighs only 14.1 pounds and is 8 to 10% lighter and smaller than conventional rigid solar panels. Installation is fast and easy with 20 pre-drilled holes on the back. This panel comes with a 5-year material and workmanship warranty and a 25-year 80% output warranty. What we like: great power output, easy to set up, solid build quality, affordable price, good performance in low light. What we don't like: potential concerns with fulfillment source, minor damage during shipping. Number 2. EcoWorthy 400W Solar Panel Kit. The EcoWorthy solar panel offers impressive durability and performance for your energy needs. With a daily output of up to 1600 watt-hours, you can enjoy reliable power based on sunlight availability. Its robust design withstands harsh weather conditions, including high winds and heavy snow, ensuring longevity. Each panel features pre-installed bypass diodes to reduce power loss from shading, helping you maximize efficiency even in low-light situations. Additionally, the easy plug-and-play installation makes it simple to set up, allowing you to focus on enjoying your off-grid adventures without hassle. What we like: outstanding performance, easy installation, good build quality, affordable pricing, effective in various weather. What we don't like: occasional mishandling reported, some inefficiencies noted. Number 3. Zoupw 100W Portable Solar Panel. The Zoupw 100W solar charger is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable power on the go. Its premium monocrystalline cells ensure an impressive 23.5% efficiency, allowing you to harness solar energy effectively, even in less than ideal conditions. With multiple output options, including USB-A and Type-C, you can easily charge your devices like phones and tablets. Additionally, the panel's IP67 waterproof rating means it can withstand harsh weather, providing peace of mind during unexpected rain. Lastly, the smart charging technology automatically adjusts to optimize charging speed while protecting your devices from potential electrical issues. What we like: easy setup and connection, good charging efficiency, portable and lightweight, affordable alternative to competitors, durable and well-built. What we don't like: supports may feel flimsy, durability not yet tested. Number 4. Jackery SolarSaga 100W Solar Panel. The Jackery SolarSaga 100W is a versatile solar panel designed to enhance your outdoor adventures. Its unique bifacial design allows you to harness solar energy from both sides, boosting power output significantly. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the included kickstands that stabilize the panel on any surface. With a high energy conversion rate of 25% from its monocrystalline cells, you can count on reliable performance. Plus, its durable, splash-proof construction ensures it withstands the elements, making it perfect for camping trips or unexpected power outages. What we like: portable and compact design, fast charging with solar panel, excellent customer service, high-quality construction, multiple power options available. What we don't like: higher price than some competitors, requires some setup for optimal use. Number 5. EcoWorthy 100W Solar Panels. The ECO-worthy solar panels are designed to be reliable and efficient for various applications. With a daily output of 1000 Wh, you can harness solar energy to power your RV, boat, or agricultural needs, depending on sunlight availability. Their durable construction withstands harsh weather conditions, including high winds and heavy snow. Each panel features pre-installed bypass diodes and a waterproof junction box, reducing power loss from shading and ensuring strong performance even in low light. Plus, the easy plug-and-play installation allows you to set them up quickly, making solar energy accessible for everyone. What we like: high power output, lightweight and portable, excellent performance, easy to handle, good value for price. What we don't like: minor shipping damage.